என்ன
Start.
start Good morning, friends. This is Ravi from D2S Investments and Consulting Solutions. Today we are going to see two very important pranayamas. We will start with Kapalbhati, which is a exhaling process. By exhaling, we are going to remove all the toxins from our body. Toxins are generated due to pollution. When we inhale, we move out lot of toxins get inside our body. So Kapalbhati helps us to remove all the toxins. It is purely an exhaling process. So what we need to do is we need to, while exhaling, we need to see that our, the diaphragm portion goes inside and we breathe out using our nostril. The breathing out is similar to when whenever basically we remove the toxins from the nostril, we exhale, the air goes outside. Similarly, we need to, while exhaling from the nostril, we need to see that the diaphragm goes inside. Okay, so we try to do slowly to start with. We can, for beginners, we can start like 1 second, one exhaling process per second actually, and then slowly we can increase. So we can, to feel the whole process, we can keep our finger just below the nostril and keep the other hand at the diaphragm portion to see that we are feeling the process of the exhaling of the diaphragm which goes inside. Okay, so exhaling through the nostril and see that simultaneously the diaphragm goes inside.
Time.
By doing this Kapalbhati, first thing in the morning in empty stomach, it will improve the blood flow, it will supply blood to all the organs, it will improve your digestive system, it will improve the lungs, it will remove all the toxins, and you will feel completely active. After doing Kapalbhati, we need to do Anulom Vilom Pranayama because Kapalbhati generally generates heat in the body. So, as a follow up of Kapalbhati, we need to do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. For Anulom Vilom Pranayama, we need to keep our left hand in Vishnu Mudra. Vishnu Mudra means your thumb should touch the index finger and the rest of the three fingers The middle finger, the ring finger, and the little finger should be close to each other. This is Vishnu Mudra. And to do the Anulom Vilom Pranayama, we need to use the thumb on the right nostril, the ring finger and the little finger on the left nostril, the middle and the middle and the index finger should be bent down. So it is this posture where the thumb is on the right side of your nostril, the ring finger and the little finger on the left side of your nostril. To start with, we'll breathe in for a count of 4 from the left nostril. Close both the nostrils and breathe out for a count of 8 from the right nostril. So, breathe in for a count of 4, breathe out for a count of 8. When you close both the nostrils, you can take a count of around 16. If you are unable to do, breathe in for a count of 4 and double the count for breathe out. You can start with breathe in and breathe out with the same count of 4 and 4 also. Okay, and slowly you double the breathe in to breathe out count. So breathe in should be 4 and breathe out should be 8. So once you practice, then you can double this count, breathe in to breathe out. In between, when you close both the nostrils, you can keep for a count of 16. So let us start Anulom Vilom Pranayama. To start with, we'll breathe in from the left nostril for a count of 4. Close both the nostril for a count of 16. Inhale, exhale from the right nostril for a count of 8. Inhale from the right nostril for a count of 4. Close both the nostrils for a count of 16. Exhale from left nostril for a count of 8. This completes one round. Starting from left nostril for a count of, breathing in for a count of 4, closing both the nostril for a count of 16, and exhaling from right nostril for a count of 8, inhaling again from right nostril for a count of 4, closing both the nostril for a count of 16, and exhaling from the left nostril for a count of 8, completes one round. You start from left and coming back to left completes one round. Do this for 6 rounds. It will improve your supply of oxygen to the lungs. You will feel completely relaxed. So, as we discussed, do this after Kapalbhati every day. So let us do 6 rounds of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So with this, we have completed 6 rounds of pranayama, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So please practice this in empty stomach first thing in the morning, and after that you can do all the other yogasanas. Thank you so much. Have a good day. This is Ravi signing off.